video. In this video, we are going to see about some of the complex SQL queries which are asked in most of the interviews. Okay, for demonstration purpose, I am using Microsoft SQL Server, which is 2019 version with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, whose version is 18.5. I have already installed the software. For this, I have created a database named Tutota, in which there is a table called employee details. In the employee details, there are columns such as employee ID or employee number, employee name to store the name of the employee, department, the department to which the employee belongs to, and the salary details and the gender are stored in the employee details table. Okay, while executing the select query, the values which are inserted in the employee details table is displayed. Okay, the first query which is asked in most of the interviews is find the second highest salary from the employee details. Okay, we can find the highest salary from the employee details using the max aggregate function. How we can do that is using select, okay, max of salary, okay, salary as, okay, salary, okay, as salary is giving the alias name to the column, okay, as salary from employee details. Okay, when selecting employee details, I will execute this query. Okay, in the column salary, the maximum salary is 90,000. Okay, so 90,000 will be displayed here. Okay, 90,000. Okay, we can also sort the salary column in the descending order or ascending order. For that, we have to use order by clause. Okay, for using order by clause, you have to specify order by, and you have to specify the column based on which the sorting has to be done. Okay, for our case, the sorting should be done based on salary column. The salary should be sorted in descending order. Okay, now we will execute this query. It will display the salary in descending order. It is 90,000, 85,000. Okay, here the values 85,000 is repeated twice. Okay, to get the unique values, we will use the keyword, okay, distinct. Okay, so we will get only the unique values from this column. Okay, now we will execute the query. The 85,000 is displayed only once. Okay, it sorts the salary column in descending order. Okay, how to get the second highest salary? Okay, is by writing, okay, is by writing the subqueries. So the logic behind is that we have to compare each of the salary values with the maximum salary. If the salary value was less than the maximum salary, means we can display it. Okay, for that I have to write the subquery for comparing it. Okay, so select distinct salary from employee details. Okay, employee details where salary must be less than the maximum salary. Okay, for getting the maximum salary, I will write the subquery as, okay, already we have wrote it. Okay, that is select max of salary. Here we no need to give the alias name. Okay, select max of salary from employee details. Okay, employee details, this is the subquery. So this query displays all the distinct values, okay, in the salary column, such as 80,000. These columns, it will compare with the maximum salary, which is 90,000, and it will display only the salaries which are less than 90,000. Okay, except 90,000, it will display all the salary values. So now I will execute the query. It displays all the values. Now in this, we have to get the maximum salary value, which is 85,000. From this result, we have to get the maximum salary. For that, we can specify here as max. Okay, max of salary. Okay, it will display the second highest salary. So I will give the alias name as second highest, okay, salary. I will give the alias name as second highest salary. Now I will execute this query. It will display the second highest salary, which is 85,000. Okay, now I will execute. It gives the second highest salary as 85,000. This is one of the SQL query. Okay, next this query is to display the last row in the table. Okay, how to get fetch the last row in the table? The last row is the 7. 7, employee number is 7, the employee name is okay Shri, okay, department is development, salary is 85,000. Now we have to display the last salary, last row in the table. For that we have to use this cell, okay, we have to use select star from employee details. Okay, select star from employee details. We have to get the last row, for which I will sort the row. Okay, I will sort the table according to the employee number. Okay, order by employee number in descending, so that I will get the employee details in descending order. Okay, employee number is sorted in descending order. Okay, there is one keyword called okay top in MS SQL, which will limit the number of rows to display. Okay, if we need to display the first 10 rows means we have to specify top 10. Okay, if we need to display the first row means top 1. If we need to display the first 3 rows means top 3. Like that we can specify in MS SQL. Okay, in case of MySQL, there is another keyword called limit. Okay, in MySQL limit is applicable, not top is only in MySQL limit is applicable. In MS SQL top is used. So we can okay specify top 1, so it fetches the last row from the table. Okay, the last row from the table is displayed. Okay, to fetch the first row, the same top one, but we don't need to sort it in descending order. Okay, so I will remove that and I will execute the query. It displays the now I will execute this query. Okay, it displays the first row. Okay, this is by displaying the first row, last row. Okay, next we need only the even rows. Okay, even rows means for that we need to use the modulus function. So select star from employee details, where in MSQL there is no aggregate function called mod. Instead of that we will use the modulus operator, where employee number modulo 2 equal to 0 means it will display only the even rows. Okay, it displays the even rows such as 2, 4, 6. Okay, to display the odd row, which is modulo 2 not equal to 0. Modulo 2 not equal to 0, which will display the odd rows. Okay. Now the next query is that you need to display the top 3 highest salary, okay, which is earned by the employees. Top 3 highest salary. Okay, for which we will use top 3 star from employee details, where we have to sort the table by salary. For which we have to use the order by clause, order by salary descending. Now it will display the top 3 employee salary details. See, the highest salary is 90,000, next 85,000 and 85,000. Now we need to display only the distinct. Now we can use distinct keyword. Okay. Okay, we can use the distinct keyword. This is all. This is some of the complex SQL queries which are frequently asked in the interviews. Thank you for watching. Please support for more videos.